Hi guys, VST here, Fps Tech. Ideas 2.0 recap. Thank you for sharing your ideas. This is what we see here, the original text on the OnePlus forum. If you know about this, then you probably can go just into the second half of the video. But if you don't know about the ideas recap or the idea from OnePlus, then okay, this is the right video for you. So OnePlus are known for communicating to their end users, to the users, to all developers out there. This is actually what we did. So in mid-September they introduced the new and improved Ideas 2.0 platform with a more robust voting system. Anyway, to cut the long story short, people are submitting their ideas, what they want to have into the Oxygen OS and etc. Then all the other users go there, upvote their ideas, and then at some point OnePlus decides which ideas are to be adopted or not. During the past 3 rounds, they received over 7,000 pieces of brilliant ideas from 500 community members, which is really a lot, right? And at the end, guys, right now I'm just going to discuss with you all the ideas that they have adopted, which pretty much means that we're gonna see them into the open beta updates first, and then at the end into the stable version of Oxygen OS. The first idea is to add an FPS Counter Option to the game space by the SM Monteiro, which is not a bad idea, especially if you're a gamer, you want to really see how much frame per second are you getting. So it's a nice idea. I'm not a huge mobile gamer, so I'm more like nah, but at the end, good idea, adopted. The second idea is a separate volume for each app and allowing dual media playback. So this is actually quite an interesting idea, and because I'm a big music fan and listener, so if you listen to music 24/7, I want that apps don't pause my music without my permission, because it's very annoying, right? And actually I wanted to say that this is already implemented into Samsung One UI ecosystem and their overhaul of Android, so when you listen to music then nobody really can interrupt you unless you don't want to. And you have separate volume for each application. It's not a bad idea, actually great idea, made its way. Idea number 3 is the lock screen customization. As an OS 11 user, I know that lock screen flop is different and they don't like it, so people want to go there and be able to do modification. It's a very basic thing, so it's good that OnePlus at the end adopted this. It's not something groundbreaking or whatever. The fourth idea to get adopted is the wireless file transfer from PC to OnePlus and vice versa. And I can only say that's not bad. Again, it's not really life-changing, but it's really adding some nice level of flexibility, and it's just gonna make life easier if you use a OnePlus phone and Oxygen OS. Idea number 5, called the power diet, save up for a rainy day. And this has to do more with heavy battery savings modes, and we pretty much know this. We have this also in the MIUI. We have something like this also into the Samsung One UI, and we also have a bit of a power saving mode in the Oxygen OS, but now they want to go into the next level with the power diet. You know, if you ask me, it's not a bad thing. Anyway, idea number 6 is the dark mode to be black instead of gray, or at least open for both. Now I can tell you, I am a big fan of the not so dark mode that they put right now in Android 11. It adds a little bit more contrast, and in the same way, you know, it's good for the eyes. Black and white is really too heavy. Maybe it's good to have an option to select both, right? And idea number 7, I think the last one that I actually adopted is the partial screenshot. I mean, it's clear, you have a screenshot, you have a partial screenshot. So again, not really groundbreaking ideas, and maybe also worth taking a look on the not adopted ideas. Hole punch, camera notification alerts, we can do this with a third-party app. Desktop mode. Why the hell desktop mode is not adopted? Desktop mode is really great. You have it on the Huawei, you have it also on the Samsung One UI. Work with social media companies to improve camera optimization. That's a bad thing. Never give a lot of detail to social media, right? iOS 14 back tap gestures. This you can do with it. Application to the party. Preventing screen burning by subtle pixel shifting, not good. You can also do this with a third-party software. Customizable battery charge level, you don't need that one. Dual audio in Bluetooth, that's a good idea. Fingerprint customization, also good idea. Notification ring, you can do this with third-party apps, don't need this. Improved image processing is perhaps not a bad idea, but it should not be even an idea. I mean, people should be really doing this at OnePlus all the time, improving. Animations during accessory pairing and connecting, no, that's just gimmick. Navigation bar customization could be a thing. Replace the Google dialer to the OnePlus dialer because of course call recording does not work. It's a great idea. GDPR. Notification count on icons or badges. Battery health. Battery health is there. I mean, there is a stock app from Oxygen OS that I reviewed on my channel. You can actually use that one to check your phone and the battery health. Classic layout to Oxygen OS 11. Guys, these are all the ideas not adopted. So again, let me know what you think about all these adopted and not adopted ideas into the comments down below this video, and let me know what your ideas are to bring Oxygen OS to the next level. Right, we're gonna catch up in my next video, and with that said, VST over and